What if I told you there is a small orange berry growing in the hardest mountain on earth that is now becoming a multi-billion dollar global industry? And here is the crazy part. Most people still have no idea about it. But countries, big brands and investors, they are quietly moving in fast. This is the story of sea buckthorns and why India could dominate its future. Sea buckthorn isn't just another superfood trend. It grows in extreme climate, high altitude, freezing temperature, poor soil. Yet, inside this tiny berry is a nutritional powerhouse that industries are racing to use. From skincare brand to pharmaceutical companies, from health drinks to nutraceuticals, demand is exploding. And while most people are still asking, what is sea buckthorn? Smart businesses are asking, how do we get it before everyone else does? What is sea buckthorn? Sea buckthorn is a bright orange berry found mainly in the Himalayan region of India, part of China, Russia, and across Europe. It has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, but now modern science is confirming what ancient system already knew. Benefits. Why the hype? Let's talk about why this berry is blowing up globally. Number 1. Skin and anti-aging. Rich in omega-7, rare and powerful. Used in premium skincare and cosmetics. Number 2. Immunity boosters. High in vitamin C, even higher than orange. Help fight infection and inflammation. Number 3. Heart health. Support cholesterol balance, improve blood circulations. Number 4. Gut and digestion. Repair gut lining, support overall digestive health. Number 5. Energy and recovery. Popular in sport nutrition, help with fatigue and recovery. This is why brands are turning it into oil, juice, capsule and cosmetics. Global market size. Now let's talk the number because this is where things get interesting. The global sea buckthorn market is currently estimated at around 700 million to $1 billion and expected to grow to $2 to $3 billion by 2030. That is massive growth for a niche product. Why? Because it sits at the intersection of health, beauty and natural medicine, three of the fastest growing industry in the world. Import export data and global player. Let's break down the global rate. Top exporting countries: China, largest producer and exporter. Russia, Mongolia and India. Top importing countries: Germany, United States, South Korea and Japan. These countries are using sea buckthorns in cosmetics, supplement and functional food. Why India is a game changer? Now here is where it gets really interesting. India has a huge advantage. Why? Number 1. Natural habitat. Sea buckthorn grow naturally in Ladakh and Himalayan region. No need for heavy cultivation. Number 2. Organic potential. Global buyer want organic and wild harvest products. India already has it. Number 3. Low competition. China dominates but India is still underutilized. Number 4. Government support. There are increasingly initiatives for Himalayan product export promotions. This is a massive opportunity waiting to be tapped. Business opportunity. If you are an entrepreneur, trader or importer, this is where you should pay attention. You can enter this market through raw berries, oil extraction, juice manufacturing, cosmetic ingredients and export trading. Margins are strong, demand is rising, competition is still limited. How I can help you? Now here is the most important part if you are serious about entering this market. I can help you. Source sea buckthorn directly from India, connect with reliable supplier, guide you on import-export process and help you to build a profitable supply chain. Whether you want to start trading, building a brand or scale globally, this is your entry point. If you want a complete step-by-step guide on how to start sea buckthorn business, comment orange gold below and I will help you to know more about this.